For those of you living La Vida low carb or just wanting to throw a healthy meal into rotation, you will love this Mexican spaghetti squash. Your favorite Mexican spices add the kick, and the squash and the beans add some bulk for a filling meal that is perfect for lunch or dinner. I know I can't wait to dig in. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. Carefully use a knife to poke a few holes into the spaghetti squash and microwave for 6 to 10 minutes depending on the size. After it's cut and de-seeded, use a fork to work the quote spaghetti from the rind on the sides and fluff it up. Place in a large pot over medium-low heat. I added some garlic powder, chipotle powder, and some ground cumin. You could also use half a packet of taco seasoning if you prefer. Give it a toss to coat, and if you like it spicy, repeat it with the spices on the other side. I like to add a little black pepper too. Add in a can of diced tomatoes and chilies, and give it a stir. Also add a cup of cooked or canned black beans and give a final toss before covering it with a lid for about 15 minutes. Then it's time to plate it up and then top it with a little scallion for color. Mexican spaghetti squash is healthy, delicious, and filling. It is the perfect dish for those who want to go meatless, or if you want, add a favorite protein with it depending on how you feel that day. It comes together quickly and reheats well, so you could make it the day before and just slightly undercook the squash by a minute or two. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.